Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Canva CV. First, open Canva in your web browser or app and use the search bar to find CV or resume templates. You will find thousands of options, so take your time to browse. Choose a template that resonates with your industry and personal brand, ensuring it has a professional and clear layout. This initial step is crucial for setting the right tone for your job application, so pick one that truly stands out to you. Once you have selected a template, it is time to make it your own. Canva allows you to easily customize colors, fonts, and even background images to reflect your personality. Simply click on any element to edit it. Replace all the placeholder text with your actual details, such as your contact information and professional summary. Feel free to add new sections or delete existing ones to ensure your CV is tailored perfectly to your unique experience and the job you are applying for. Now let's fill your CV with compelling content. Start by adding your work experience, listing your job titles, company names, and employment dates. For each role, use action verbs to describe your responsibilities and achievements. Next, include your educational background, degrees, and any relevant certifications. Create a dedicated section for your key skills, highlighting both technical and interpersonal abilities. Remember to quantify your accomplishments with specific numbers or percentages to demonstrate your impact effectively. Before finalizing, thoroughly review your entire CV. Check for any spelling mistakes, grammatical errors, or inconsistencies in formatting. Double-check that all your contact information, including your phone number and email address, is completely accurate. Once you are satisfied, download your CV as a PDF file. This ensures it looks consistent across all devices and prints perfectly. You can then confidently share your professional document directly with employers or upload it to various online job application platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.